Many creators often create their own unique custom text animation to create their own style. That's called branding. It becomes the identity of their videos and personality. Most of them use motion graphic sites like Canva or Motion Array to create them because they have to save time. But in this video, I'm going to show you 3 insanely easy text animation that you can create in Premiere Pro within 1 minute or 2 minutes that pro creators use without downloading anything. Without wasting time, let's start the video. By the way, if you're new to this channel, hey, I'm the person. Basically, I create videos as a hobby. If you like this video, consider subscribing. Let's start Premiere Pro. So the first animation we are going to create is this one. I saw this in a Peter McKinnon video and I think it's very cool. I also sometimes use this animation in my videos as well. Okay, let's create a sequence first. I'm going to create all the text animations here and just copy and paste them into my videos whenever I need them. Now select the type tool and select anywhere in the program window. Now type the title. Okay, I have used Helvetica Oblique as a font and 45 padding around the text to match Peter McKinnon's text, but you can use any text style as you like. Now go to Effects Control and open Transform. Now we will create keyframes only for scale, okay? Now click this watch icon to create our first keyframe and enter 0 as the scale. Then go to 1 frame and increase the scale to 250. Then go to the next frame and input 100. Our entry animation will be done. Okay. So now the exit animation. Go to the timeline where you want the text to disappear. Then copy the keyframes in reverse order like this. It's almost done. See? Very easy, right? It's almost done. We are going to save this as a preset. Input the name to use for the future. Now if you want to add another text, just go to Effects, and find the preset you saved earlier and just drag and drop. Change the font size and style. Now add some whoosh sound effect and it will look like this. Pretty easy, right? The next animation is easier than this one, so many creators use this animation in their videos and it's very easy to create. It's the typing animation. Select the type animation and type whatever you want to write, then align the text in the center. Now go to Effects, search for crop and drag and drop crop effect in the text. Now open the effect control and open the right crop. First we are going to hide the text like this. If you increase the right crop, it will hide the text. Now add a keyframe there by pressing this watch icon. Now go to some frames like 10 and reset the crop. And I'm done. But the most important thing in this text animation is sound effect. So find out some typing sound effect and add them. After the sound effect, it will look like this. The third animation I'm going to show is glitch animation, very common animation used by creators. Now write some text by selecting the type tool. Now center it. Now select the razor tool and add a cut after each frame until 8 frames. Now delete the text one frame after each one. You will see it like this. Now go to effects, find VR chromatic aberration and drag the effect on the remaining cuts. Now just add a glitch sound and your effect is complete. So that's the final look of the 3 animation we have created, and you can paste them in your videos to get a professional look. That's it for this video. I had made a community post where you guys want me to make Premiere Pro videos, so here we go. If you like or learn anything from this video, do let me know in the comment section. Hit that like button and consider subscribing if you haven't already. See you in the next video. Peace.